Okay, here's a problem from 1998 under the category Areas and Volumes. Find the volume in cubic centimeters of a cube with its diagonal 4 centimeters more than its edge. So, to do this problem, I have a diagram that we can use. And we'll call each of the lengths S because it's a cube. And the diagonal of this cube would be this segment going from this point to this other point. And we'll just draw the line. That's not a very good line, but whatever. So, to find that, we have to find some other lengths before we can do that. Namely, the length going from this point to that point. So, to do that, actually let's call this length A. And we'll call the length of the diagonal B. So, to find A, we can write, let's draw the triangle. And that's A, and these two lengths are S. And it's a right triangle. If you look on this diagram, that's a right angle. So we can just use the Pythagorean theorem and get the a squared equals s squared plus s squared, and simplify. Okay, so we know what A is now, and now we can use that to find B. So let's draw the triangle for B. So we can see that that's the same as this triangle. With A and S as the legs of the triangle. And again, this is a right angle because that's a right angle. So now we can use the Pythagorean theorem again. And recall that a squared is equal to 2 times s squared, so we just write 2s squared. And that gives us b equals root 3s. So the problem says that the diagonal is 4 centimeters more than the edge. So that means that b equals s plus 4. And now we know what b is in terms of s, so we can write that as square root of 3 times s equals s plus 4. And root 3 s minus s equals 4. And now we can factor out to s. And now we have a numerical value for s. But that's not a very good value to work with right now, so we can rationalize the denominator. And we do that by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by root 3 plus 1. And this simplifies to and we get s equals 2 times root 3 plus 1. And the problem asks for the volume of the cube, and that's easy because it's just a cube. So we do volume equals s cubed equals 2 times root 3 plus 1 whole cubed. And we can just write that as 8 cubed times, oh no, not 8 cubed. 2 cubed is just 8. Times root 3 plus 1, and that's cubed. So to get root 3 plus 1 cubed, first let's do it squared. And when you FOIL, you get, and then you do root 3 plus 1 cubed. And that's equal to 10 plus 6 root 3. But we have to multiply by 8 now, so volume is equal to 8 times root 3 plus 1 cubed equals 80 plus 48 root 3. So that's the volume of the cube, and we can write that up here now. So basically how we did this problem was we broke it up into multiple right triangles to find the length of the diagonal. Then we solved for the side length by writing the length of the diagonal in terms of the side length, and then finding what the side length is. And then we just did the side length cubed, and that gives us the volume of the cube.